As the indomitable Beyonce once sang, if you liked it, then you should have put a ring on it. Clearly a fan of Queen Bey's work, Samsung has finally revealed the release date for its hotly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Ring. We got fingers on at an invite-only event ahead of the launch, and our feelings were decidedly mixed. It's certainly Samsung's most discreet wearable, and its form factor should make it more comfortable to wear 24/7 than the manufacturer's smartwatches. With up to 7 days of battery life and a charging case holding a further 4 to 6 charges, it's got much better stamina too. Although exactly how long the battery lasts will depend on which size ring you buy, as there are 3 different cell sizes used across the 9-strong range. Constructed from grade 5 titanium and with a scratch-resistant concave surface, the Galaxy Ring is surprisingly durable, despite weighing less than 3 grams. It's dustproof, waterproof, and can withstand water pressure at a depth of up to 100 meters too. However, its lightweight nature makes it feel a little insubstantial, and we weren't blown away by how it looks either. Samsung is offering a choice of 3 colours, black, gold or silver, but we wouldn't consider any of them particularly eye-catching. That said, this is one smart piece of jewellery. Using an accelerometer, PPG sensor and skin temperature sensor, the Galaxy Ring can monitor your heart rate, track your workouts and sleep, and even predict your menstrual cycle in conjunction with Samsung's Wearable app. Unsurprisingly, you'll only get the most out of the Galaxy Ring by pairing it with another AI-enabled Galaxy device. Doing so unlocks support for Samsung Gestures, which lets you take photos or dismiss an alarm on your phone with a simple double pinch of your ring-wearing finger and thumb. You can also locate your ring using Find My Ring on Samsung Find. It's often said that you can't put a price on your health, but Samsung has slapped a $399 price tag on the Galaxy Ring. That's a pretty hefty outlay, but do you think it'll be worth it? The Samsung Galaxy Ring is available for pre-order now and will hit store shelves on July 24th.